Hello, my fierce art family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Elizabeth, and on my search for watercolor books, wherein I will have new ideas to share and teach on my art workshops, especially for kids, but for all levels and all ages, of course. And I came across a listing that listed this book secondhand, but it looks pretty new though. And this is the Watercolor with Me in the Forest by 𝙇𝙗𝙗. Let's get started. Let's unwrap it. And here is the beautiful book. I didn't realize how beautiful it is. It's way better in person. The outside covering seems like it's a watercolor paper. How cool is that? Especially that this book is called Watercolor with Me in the Forest by 𝙇𝙗𝙗. I never knew 𝙇𝙗𝙗 before, but when I got this from the website, I researched more about her, and she's such a wonderful artist, and we will know about her once we flip through the book. So this is how it looks in the front. Just such a beautiful, super sweet forest themed book right here for the cover. Beautiful design painted by 𝙇𝙗𝙗. And here is the back. Beautiful. It says, unleash your creativity with 50 no-sketch watercolor projects, which is really good because I am researching on watercolors, watercolor techniques, and everything about watercolor because I teach watercolor. I love to teach art, and would give me an idea or new ideas on what to teach the kids, the teenagers, and then the adults and the pensioners. So it would be really fun. Let's flip through it. The paper is really beautiful. Really feel like a paper that we can really paint on. I believe that there are some activities here, and that's probably why. If I am going to have my own book, I would love to have this paper as well. And here, oh, I missed a page. Okay, there it says, to everyone with a creative, colorful spirit and a sense of childlike imagination. Perfect for me. And here it says, copyright to 2018, first published in 2018 as well. Okay, it's probably one of the first editions. Printed and bound in Italy. Cool. All right, and beautiful, loose, floral watercolor painting here. Introduction, or this are the things that we are going to expect to see on the book. It says wet on dry, and then we have several different things here like acorns, caterpillar, ladybug, flowers, trees, moth, and so on. So that's the wet on dry. There's a wet on wet. Painting fur. Perfect. I would like to be familiar on painting fur. Ink and wash. Nice. Dragonfly, moose, raspberries, wolf, lily pads, and so much more. And oh, beautiful loose sketch right there. Introduction. There you go. Oh, and supplies you'll likely need. It says round brush, watercolor, size 2 to 6. Fine detail brush, watercolor paint, clean water, mixing palette, permanent ink, white gel pen, paper towels. Oh, there you go. See? Now we can really try it. It is also a workbook. So here, can do the similar ones like so. Wow, that's such a brilliant idea. Wet on wet techniques. Oh, there's a sketch of acorns there, so can easily paint it. There. So those are the colors. Very easy to find on anyone's palette, or very easy to find on the art stores if you wanted to paint along, and then you can just paint this sketch. That is such a brilliant idea. So there's quite several of these here. Oh goodness, that is such a wonderful, wonderful book. Here's the wet on wet page. Starts there. And still the same. How wonderful that it talks about the snail first here. Shows the colors that's used to paint this one, or the suggested colors. Supplies needed. And the step-by-step procedure on how to paint it. That is really amazing and super smart. I love that. And just really awesome. These are things that the kids can easily follow, or I can do my own interpretation and then use the idea to teach kids how to paint with these ones. It's a nice reference book for me. Here we have some florals, daisies there. Awesome. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, now it's painting fur. Look at that. So here's where you can practice. Just try it. And then you can just fill the base with color, add mid-tone strokes, and add the dark tones. Oh, so cool. Bumblebee. Oh, super cute. The bear. Oh my gosh, I love this book. You know what? I want all her books now. I want it all. And then you can try it here. Look at those flowers. It's easy to follow. And inspiring, but not intimidating. Wow. Look at the dragonfly. I love the colors that she chose. So stunning. It is a wonderful book. I can really see that so far. Oh, look at this owl. Super cute as well. Oh, goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So those are the things that we see here. Now, that's ink and wash. So different techniques on how to paint with watercolor. And so many activities that we can easily try at home. So for more projects and to learn watercolor painting in depth, join Dana's official online watercolor workshop. It's www.watercolor-workshop.com. And this is about Dana Fox, the artist. Is that Dana Fox is an artist and internet-savvy entrepreneur who creates artwork for retail products in her home studio in Ontario, Canada. She developed the Wonder Forest brand in 2011 and has since found her work on the shelves of Target, Urban Outfitters, Wayfair, and Bloomingdale's, to name a few. Her love of creativity is translated into various forms of digital and traditional art, which is demonstrated on her ever-growing YouTube channel. Oh, she has a YouTube channel. I have to check that out. She has a fondness for animals, interior decorating, crochet, web development, and of course, watercolor painting. So visit her YouTube channel. It's of course www.youtube.com/thewonderforest. There it is. Or her Instagram is also The Wonder Forest to connect and share your own artwork. And we have a total of 119 pages. It's the last one for the index. That is so promising. I cannot wait to go in depth with this one. And that is just like a preview, but I am going to give you a formal review. I get to use this book a little bit more and do the activities. So yeah, thank you so much, Dana Fox, for creating this wonderful book, and I'm glad to have this on a good price, but I would definitely go ahead and grab all your other books even in full price because you deserve it. So that's about it. Stay creative and keep on creating art. See ya!